Welcome to the Power Transformation channel. The power of transformation is in your mind. Today, I am extremely excited to share with you that we will embark on an even deeper journey of personal transformation, discovering the 5 fundamental pillars that drive us toward success. Get ready to be inspired and achieve the best version of yourself. The pursuit of personal development and excellence is a continuous journey filled with discoveries, and before we delve into the 5 fundamental pillars that drive success, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all our subscribers. Each one of you is part of our inspiring community, and together, we are seeking a life filled with achievements and abundance in all areas. Through this video, you will be able to delve into each of the pillars and apply them to your life in a practical and transformative way. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Pillar 1: Positive Mindset. We begin our journey with the powerful pillar of positive mindset. Believing in yourself and cultivating optimistic thoughts are skills that can be developed with dedication and practice. A positive mindset is like a light that illuminates our paths. It allows us to face obstacles with courage and find opportunities even in adversities. Science proves that when we nurture positive thoughts, we set off a domino effect of constructive emotions that propel us toward success. It is important to emphasize that a positive mindset is not just about thinking positive, but adopting a realistic and hopeful perspective in the face of life's challenges. It's about facing situations with resilience, seeking solutions, and learning from each experience. To cultivate this mindset, a powerful practice is incorporating positive affirmations into our daily routine. Additionally, visualizing our achieved goals aligns us with our deepest desires, activating the power of the subconscious to help us achieve them. Neuroscience also shows us that our brains have remarkable plasticity, which means we can shape our thought patterns over time. By training the mind to think positively, we reprogram our emotional responses to challenges. And that's not all. Studies show that positivity also has a direct impact on our physical and emotional health, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Therefore, cultivating a positive mindset is a valuable investment in our quality of life. Pillar 2: Self-Discipline. Our next pillar is self-discipline. Imagine it as an internal master guiding us towards our goals and aspirations. Self-discipline is the fuel that enables us to stay focused and committed to our objectives, even when the path becomes challenging. It is crucial to propel us into action towards what we truly desire to achieve. However, cultivating self-discipline can be a challenge. We know it requires giving up some immediate gratifications to achieve lasting results. This is where the importance of setting clear and meaningful goals comes in, as they inspire us to persist even in the face of temptations. A powerful technique is breaking down bigger goals into smaller ones, creating milestones along the way. This helps us measure our progress and celebrate small victories, which in turn boosts our motivation to keep moving forward. Self-discipline is a trait shared by many successful leaders, artists, athletes, and entrepreneurs worldwide. They recognize that the ability to persevere, even when things don't go as planned, leads to lasting success. Furthermore, self-discipline allows us to develop crucial skills, as we dedicate consistent time and effort to our areas of interest and passion. And, of course, it's important to remember that self-discipline doesn't mean being overly rigid with ourselves. Recognizing our limits and allowing ourselves breaks to recharge is essential for a healthy balance between personal growth and self-care. Pillar 3: Goal Setting. In our third pillar, we bring goal setting to the forefront. This essential practice is like charting the map of our destination and visualizing what we want to achieve. Goals are beacons that illuminate the path on our journey. They provide us with direction, clarity, and a sense of purpose for our daily actions. A life without goals is like a boat without a rudder, sailing aimlessly. It's crucial for goals to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, the famous SMART goals. This way, they become more tangible and concrete, allowing us to track them more effectively. By setting clear goals, we can also identify the necessary steps to achieve them. Breaking down our objectives into smaller tasks makes the journey less daunting and more attainable. And when we achieve each goal, even the smallest ones, we experience a sense of accomplishment that propels us forward, towards even greater achievements. Moreover, goal setting helps us identify what truly matters in our lives. By prioritizing goals aligned with our values and passions, we avoid distractions and focus our efforts on what truly matters. But remember, goals can evolve and adapt over time. Don't be afraid to revise and adjust your goals to reflect your authentic desires and the growth you are experiencing. Pillar 4: Time Management. In the fourth pillar, we address time management, a valuable skill to make the most of every moment in a productive and efficient manner. We all receive the same amount of hours in a day, but what sets successful people apart is how they use this limited resource. Effective time management is a powerful ally in the pursuit of excellence. An efficient strategy is the Pomodoro technique, which involves dividing time into work blocks, interspersed with brief rest intervals. This helps maintain focus and avoid mental fatigue. Additionally, the Eisenhower matrix is a useful tool for prioritizing tasks and distinguishing what is important and urgent from what is merely a distraction. Time management also involves learning to say no to activities that are not aligned with our goals. This helps us stay focused and avoid the burden of overwhelming commitments. And here's an important reminder: time management is not just about productivity. It also involves setting aside moments for self-care, leisure, and spending time with loved ones. Time management is an ongoing practice of self-improvement. As we become more aware of our habits and routines, we have the opportunity to optimize our productivity and maximize our time for what truly matters. Pillar 5: Self-care and balance. Finally, we arrive at the fifth pillar: self-care and balance. After all, personal transformation cannot be achieved without taking care of ourselves on all levels. Self-care is the foundation that supports all other areas of our lives. When we dedicate time to nurture our body, mind, and soul, we are investing in our own happiness and well-being. Self-care is a daily practice that can take different forms for each of us. Some find peace in meditation or yoga, while others recharge by pursuing a hobby or spending time in nature. The important thing is to recognize that taking care of ourselves is not selfishness but rather a necessity for living fulfilling and meaningful lives. By balancing our responsibilities with moments of leisure and relaxation, we find harmony in our daily routine. This allows us to face challenges with greater serenity and joy, making our journey of personal transformation even more rewarding. And here's the beauty of self-care: it allows us to be the best version of ourselves, not only for ourselves but also for the people around us. And, of course, balance is not something we achieve and maintain forever. It is a continuous process of self-assessment and adjustments as our lives transform and evolve. And with that, we conclude our journey through the 5 pillars of personal transformation. I hope this information has inspired you to take concrete steps towards your growth and development. Each of these pillars is an essential component in building a life filled with meaning and fulfillment. If you enjoyed this content and want to delve even deeper into your journey of personal transformation, don't forget to like the video and share it with 3 friends. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for being part of our Power Transformation community. Remember that each step towards personal growth is valuable, and we are here to support you on this journey. Leave your tips and experiences related to these pillars in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so you won't miss any transformative content coming your way. Together, we can transform our lives and achieve excellence in all areas. Thank you for walking with us towards an extraordinary life. Thank you for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next video.